Hi lovelies, can you look at the screen and see the amount of money that I withdrew in the month of I'm supposed to withdraw for the month of June? Yes, you're watching this wondering how people, in particular me, we are making money on YouTube while you're still stuck at 3 views and your mom is one of them, or your brother, even your second account is one of them. Guess what? You can start making money even if you're just starting out. And today, I'm going to show you how to earn $20 a day consistently on YouTube. Yes, you heard me right. I don't care whether you have 50 views, 100 views, 200 views, but I need you to follow me and see such that this month of July, we have to hit it right. We have to make sure that $20 a day consistently comes on YouTube using real monetization tools built into this platform. Let's talk about the watch page. We talk about the short feeds. We talk about channel membership and those sweet thank you buttons, aka supers, that we always get. Behold, not all of them have gotten them, and this amount of money you see displayed on your screen is mainly from 2 of these ways of monetization. That is watch page and at the same time membership. But behold, for you might be in a position to get all of them, and we score $20 on a daily basis. We are not talking about monthly basis. Some individuals get $20 on a monthly basis, but for us, we are targeting $20 on a daily basis. Before I start, I would love to say thank you to every individual and Immaculate Show family. I love you so much. Guys, I couldn't be there without you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial guru. I'm not a financial consultant. By the way, I don't lend or I don't give out money. The only thing I do, if you are there and the ball gets you, you get incentives. So stay tuned. Let's work out money together this July. What are we going to talk about now? There are different ways, like the way you've heard of earning on YouTube. Let's talk about watch page ads. Watch page ads, these are your classic YouTube money makers, and this is where I get almost 99% of my income. Here is how it works. When someone watches your video, not shorts, video, YouTube presses ads before, during, and even after the video. So you have 3 clusters of ads: before, after, and even in the middle. Then the second, you get a cut of the revenue of ad revenue. And this cut of ad revenue is called CPM. CPM in full is cost per mile, or how much advertisers pay you per 1,000 views. Some of you wonder, where does this money come from? The money comes from advertisers. You are indirectly or directly a billboard to these most of the companies that are out there looking for where to advertise. So the advertisements that you always see on your videos, that is where you get this money. Let's say your CPM, which is cost per mile, is $5, and you have 4,000 views in a day. That is $20 good dollars. Can you get 4,000 watch views? Yes, there are some people of you that I get, but for us like me, I get less, sometimes 50, 100. But when you go to total in a day, 4,000, you might reach it depending on how many videos you're going to post. Yes. So what do we need to do now? Here we create searchable evergreen content. I've been talking about evergreen content. What are they and why do we create them? We talk about tutorials, product reviews, mini documentaries. These one, they bring repeat viewers, which means that we get repeat ad dollars. Now here we are. You might make a video today, it gets 5 views, 10 views, but because it is evergreen content, even after 2 weeks, it might, and it has to hike up because People are looking for it on a daily basis, so it will be giving you money repeatedly. Then the second way, it is short feeds. Short feeds, this comes from shorts, the shorts you post, which are less than 3 minutes. This is how it is done. It is the underdog of Moneymaker, the YouTube short feeds, you guys. YouTube now pays creators from shorts and revenue sharing. You don't need millions of views, no. Let me show you what I got. Some of them, even if you have 50 views, 1,000 views, you can get money out of your shorts. Just be consistent and make sure that hooks that stop the scroll. Yes. Here I can give you a pro tip. You should upload like at least 1 to 3 shorts daily. You use trending sound and text hooks. Keep under 30 seconds for maximum reach. Yes, not very long. One shot with 15k views could easily get you few bucks. Stack a few of those, at least stack of a few of those daily, and boom, your $20 can be gotten easily up so fast, provided you can get 15k views daily from this. Then the third one is membership. Membership, last month, as you can see my money, I got 2 of them. Next up, let's talk about it now. Membership, what is it all about? Once you are monetized, you can invite your fans to join your channel for a small monthly fee. Usually it is from $4.99 to $9.99. In return, they get perks like custom emojis, behind the scene videos, exclusive live streams, and many other things as you want. Just 4 people going for $5 in a day, right away, you get 20. Yeah, you get $20. And that one is on our pilot. I can give you a pro tip here. Offer spiritual advice, private question and answers, or add music drops if you're in the creative space. Let's see supers. These supers, commonly known as super stickers, super chats, super thanks. These ones are fun donations during live streams or even regular videos. If someone loves your content, they can send $2, $5, even $20 with a click. Do you want to increase your chances on this? If it is yes, say their name on live, pin top donor comments, offer shout out or a small reward. Here you will increase your chances of getting money out of this. Trust me, viewers, they love to support creators who give them value, not everybody. So what you do, I want you to hit a $20 target per day. And how will you do it? You'll have to post searchable content, that is evergreen content, for watch page ads, which should be continuous. You upload shorts. This one is daily micro income because it gives little money, but it supports. Then you offer membership. This one is for recurring cash. And engage your tribe, engage your people for super low innings. Guys, you don't need 1 million subscribers. You just need strategy. You need consistency. And that's it. You get the heart. What I want you to do, start today. And don't underestimate small numbers. Small numbers can make you reach $20 a day. And when you're getting $20 a day, it means a month you have $600. If you have $600 in a week, in a week, it means you in a month, in a year, you'll be having 7,300 per year from your phone. And as you do this, you'll find also this 600 with time you can get it in 1 week. So guys, this is how we should earn with our smartphones on YouTube. Thank you very much. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Bye bye.